Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate without milk updated. Start by measuring cocoa powder, coconut oil, and your sweetener, then melt and whisk until smooth. Temper gently if you want a glossy snap, or pour into molds for bars or chips. Add nuts, sea salt, or vanilla for flavor. Cool completely at room temperature or in the fridge for faster setting, then store in a cool, dry place. Gather simple ingredients: cocoa powder, coconut oil, maple syrup or sugar, and an emulsifier like soy lecithin or sunflower lecithin. Use coconut cream or avocado for creamier texture when needed. For dark chocolate, aim for higher cocoa and less sweetener. For sweeter bars, increase syrup gradually. Toast nuts or seeds ahead for crunch. Measure precisely and keep heat low to avoid scorching the cocoa and losing flavor. Store leftovers airtight to preserve aroma. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, stay hydrated while tasting chocolate with the Owala water bottle, which seals tight, keeps drinks cool, and fits car holders for on-the-go sipping. I find it handy for countertop shifts between melting and molding. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Whisk cocoa and oil slowly over gentle heat until glossy and fully combined for smooth texture. If mixture seizes, add warm oil or a small splash of water and whisk vigorously to recover. To temper, heat to low, cool, then reheat slightly and test on parchment for snap. Avoid overheating to prevent bitterness. Keep stirring and monitor temperature with a probe or by feel during the whole process for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.